When using any online resource, it's important to do so in a way that makes you a good digital citizen. Today, we're going to be going over what that's going to look like for the selected activity. What does it mean to be a good digital citizen? First and foremost, it means you're safe online. You're not doing anything that could put your life or the life of another person in danger. You want to make sure you spread good, positive things that are going to uplift people. You want to use technology in a way that's legal and follows all the laws as well as the rules of your school and parents. You also want to encourage respect amongst digital users by being respectful and encouraging others to do the same. Lastly, you want to be kind in all digital interactions. For this activity, you're going to be creating a username. Remember, when you're creating a username, you need to be appropriate. We don't want to use potty language. We don't use curse words in these usernames. If you wouldn't be comfortable telling your grandma what your username is, you probably shouldn't choose it. You also want to be a name ninja. So don't use your real name in your username. Get creative and use some sort of nickname or code name. And again, with your username, you want to be kind. You don't want to choose a username that's putting someone down. Now have fun!